Good evening, everyone. Muy buenas noches. I'm Marta Benavides.
I'm Ryan Wolf. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. First on 4, a 23-year-old Brownsville man is in jail tonight, accused of sexually assaulting a 10-year-old girl he met at the mall.
Tonight, an Action 4 News investigation uncovers the alleged suspect is no stranger to the law. Action 4's Ronnie Martinez explains.
Action 4 News has learned that 23-year-old Ricardo Saucedo is already on probation for aggravated sexual assault of a child. It stems from a case back in 2005. The victim, a 13-year-old girl. Wednesday, Brownsville police say Saucedo struck again. This time he stands accused of sexually assaulting a 10-year-old girl. The crime allegedly committed in the victim's own bedroom.
Went to the home, snuck into the home, into the 10-year-old's bedroom with the intentions of having sexual intercourse with the 10-year-old girl.
Police say the child was repeatedly assaulted. According to Chuck Madeline with the Cameron County District Attorney's Office, Saucedo should have been in prison. In fact, prosecutors made that recommendation after Saucedo admitted he violated terms of his probation in a hearing held in December of 2008.
Our office all along has said we had a concern whether or not he would be having contact with young children or possibly reoffending or even having contact with the original victim.
Saucedo also admitted to leaving the county for 7 months and not attending a mandatory sexual offender program. But even with this information, Madeline says Judge Nelson failed to make a decision.
That motion to adjudicate was filed by the state back on April 29th of 2008, and it has been set and reset no less than 9 times in the 138th District Court with Judge Nelson.
There were several factors that contributed to the delays, including a change of defense attorney for Saucedo and scheduling conflicts. When both sides appeared in court in May of this year, Judge Nelson had Saucedo placed in the county jail for 30 days. A month later, he was released on a PR bond, and the motion to revoke was reset again with no decision. But 2 months after that hearing, Saucedo would be arrested and charged for a second time with sexual assault of a child.
For some reason, this case just keeps on getting continued. Then he's put in jail pending a decision, and then he gets released on a $10,000 bond. This is a terrible thing. I mean, some 10-year-old little girl out there will never be the same because of this.
In Brownsville, Ronnie Martinez, Action 4 News.